When Allah chooses you, life does not become easier. It becomes heavier, stranger, and sometimes unbearably painful. But what if I told you that this breaking is actually the beginning of something greater? That every tear you shed, every loss you endure, every moment you feel shattered is not punishment, it is preparation. It is Allah shaping you, molding you, and opening a door you cannot yet see. Life has a way of breaking us in the places we feel strongest. You might feel confident, secure, even proud of yourself. Then suddenly, the rug is pulled from under your feet. A relationship ends, a dream falls apart, a betrayal cuts deeper than anything you imagined. In those moments, it feels like the world is against you. But pause for a second and consider this. What if this break is not a setback, but a setup? What if Allah is removing what is comfortable, so He can give what is extraordinary? When you are broken, everything inside you cries for answers. You ask, why me? Why now? Why so much pain? And in the silence of those questions, something beautiful begins. You start noticing the little things you ignored. The prayers you once rushed through gain meaning. The people who truly care step forward. The strength you never knew existed quietly wakes up inside you. Allah is teaching patience, humility, and trust, lessons that comfort cannot teach. Think about the moments when life felt impossible. When you thought you would collapse, yet somehow you stood. Those moments were not by chance. Those moments were Allah holding your hand even when it felt empty. He allows the storm not to drown you, but to clear away the unnecessary. Pain is a filter. It separates what truly matters from what you cling to out of fear or habit. Sometimes, Allah breaks us in silence. No grand signs, no sudden clarity. Just quiet heartbreak that presses you down, day after day. But in that quiet, the heart begins to speak. It whispers truths that you avoided before. It opens to compassion, empathy, and wisdom. When you are broken, your heart learns to recognize what is real. It learns to surrender, and surrender is the most powerful form of strength. You might look at someone else and wonder how they are so at peace, so patient, so full of trust. Remember, you do not see their hidden struggles. You do not see the nights they cried alone, the prayers they whispered under blankets, the times they felt utterly lost. Trust that your breaking is building you too, in ways you cannot yet imagine. There is a beauty in being broken when Allah chooses you. It is in the reshaping of your character, the refinement of your soul, and the awakening of your purpose. What you lose is replaced with clarity. What you endure becomes your testimony. The pain transforms into power, your weakness becomes resilience, and your tears become a source of light for others. Every difficulty, every setback, every disappointment is a reminder that Allah is aware. He is not ignoring you. He is not absent. He is preparing you for a life that aligns with your soul, not your comfort. He breaks you not because He wishes to harm, but because He wishes to bless in ways your heart cannot yet see. So when life feels unbearable, when you feel completely shattered, hold on. Trust the process. Speak to Allah, even if your voice trembles. Cry if your heart must, but never stop believing. The breaking is temporary, but what it builds inside you lasts forever. When Allah chooses you, the pain is profound, but the transformation is eternal. Remember, your story is not over. Your strength is not gone. What is broken now will rise stronger, purer, and brighter than ever before. Every struggle is a chapter, every tear is a word, and your faith is the pen writing the ending that will inspire not only you but countless others. If this touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope today. Like, subscribe, and stay connected to reminders that guide your soul and strengthen your journey. Trust that Allah's plan is greater than your pain, and your breaking is the first step toward the most beautiful version of you.